Today I've got here the Samsung T7 portable SSD right here. I've been using these drives ever since I started working as a videographer, and today I'm going to share my thoughts, the good stuff, and also a few things you should know before buying. Right out of the box you get two cables, USB-C to USB-C and USB-A to USB-C. I really like the design. It's sleek, minimal and super compact. You can literally fit it anywhere from your pocket to your camera bag. This drive is perfect for anyone who needs high speed and portable storage. You can edit videos directly from it, watch movies, store your games, or keep your work files with you on the go. One of the cool features is that you can use it as external storage while recording on your iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max or iPhone 16 Pro or Pro Max. Personally, I use this with my iPhone 16 Pro all the time. Just plug it in and it's ready to go. Once I'm done recording, I can edit the footage directly from the drive on my phone without transferring anything. Now, sometimes when I record to SD card on my camera, I have to lower the resolution to avoid dropped frames, but with this I don't have to worry at all. I can shoot in full 6K and there are zero dropped frames. Speed is also impressive, up to 1050 megabytes per second read and 1000 megabytes per second write. Right now I'm getting slightly lower speeds, but even then it's still incredibly fast. If I had to point out one downside, it would be the cables, because they are short for some setups. I really wish they were longer, but honestly, that's the only one thing I would change. So if you're looking for a fast, reliable and portable SSD, I think this is definitely a great choice.